Hi everybody, this is Jeff Lee from the ET Enterprises YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. Today I am at the Stones River Antique Swap Meet in Nashville, Tennessee at the Nashville Fairgrounds. This is the 37th year of this. It is always the Sunday before the Super Bowl, and I've lived in Nashville for now 15 years, and this is definitely the best swap meet I've been to in the Nashville area since moving here. So I'm just going to do a little walk around, and we can check things out. I might talk about some stuff while I walk, but there's like there's 3 buildings and some stuff outside. So here's where we're going to start, outside. And got a couple race cars for sale. Looking at this Vega, V8 Vega. Yeah, it's like Sunday morning, 6:30 to 11, and I think it's probably 10:30 or something right now, so it's kind of winding down. Here's this is kind of cool. '70 Charger. It's a little rusty, but if you want to be like roadkill, this is the rig for you. $10,500. I guess that includes all the parts. I don't know what the extra 500 is for. Maybe that's what it is. This guy's selling Cadillac parts. We got the outdoor sheds filled. I haven't bought anything yet. I'm looking for some certain big block parts, maybe some LS parts, and some knickknacks and things, but it's all very specific to what I want for my cars. So, but I got my eyes peeled. This is then we'll head into the first building.
A little off the turtle.
Yeah, so we can build his house. You haven't been to his place, have you? You should have been.
Seeing this is big.
I can't keep up with this. And you look familiar.
Almost anything you could want. You know, I think with the internet, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and eBay and all that kind of stuff, swap meets are not as big as they were, but a lot of them. So some of them are still hanging in there, it looks like. So we got some
That's your complete setup. That's your oil.
shiny LS parts. Guy selling Muncie and 4-speed parts. Also lots of toys and tools and those types of things, collectible stuff. Motor Car Graveyard.
I looked at a set.
Howdy.
Guy knows he's on video. So here's the second room.
But it was good. So it's got the pretty ones and the ones that they're kind of broken. Why don't they make that? Because if the back runs out, this thing.
I mean, the internet is great. I live on the internet. I come from the internet. But a good swap meet is one of the best things. I remember going to swap meets when I was a kid and selling stuff with my dad and some of his friends that would really get into the swap meet game.
We gotta get the thing first.
In fact, I think Dad paid for a lot of racing with selling big block and Corvette parts in the winter in you know, Detroit, Chicago, some of these big swap meets. This is kind of a lost thing that I'm happy to see still a good one here in Nashville. But again, they've been doing it for 37 years. So this is a, you know, a winter tradition. Everybody's getting ready to build their cars and work on their projects, and you can find all the little things you need at swap meets.
Years ago when I was going
So that's pretty much it. Love a good swap meet. Again, this is Nashville Fairgrounds. Like right over there is the Speedway, and up the hill is the soccer or the football stadium for the Nashville Soccer Club. And yeah, this is one of the better swap meets I've been to since I moved down here. So the other one is like Charlotte Auto Fair, which is a great one. And lots of cars for sale at that too. Not so many cars here. What are you guys looking for at a swap meet? Leave it in the comments below, and then just, you know, if there's a swap meet near you, support it. It's kind of a lost tradition. Good to see it here. All right, again, thank you. Like, share, subscribe.